Hi, my name is Tony DeGraff from Burke's and welcome to 28A Anthony Street in South Perth. A stunning, spacious, single level family home. Come, experience it for yourself. Design aspects like the warmth of jarrah flooring, high ceilings, timber features and a beautiful fireplace all pack this home full of personality. In the heart of the home is the open plan living area, which combines a large lounge area, a well-appointed kitchen and the dining room, all leading out to your covered entertainer's alfresco.